Hello, welcome back to my channel. How do I start this again? I literally feel so ill, I just don't know. I'm gonna be doing, what am I even doing? I literally have not thought about what I'm gonna say. I'm gonna be doing this video around the Jeffree Star Alien palette. This is basically what I did for my birthday makeup, which was on Instagram. Probably gonna put it here really quickly. Let's go with it. So I'm gonna start with eyebrows, and for that I'm going to be taking the NYX Professional Micro Brow Pencil, and this is in the colour Espresso. So now I'm going to carve out my brows, and for that I'm going to take the Tarte Shape Tape, and this is in the colour Fair. And to apply I'm going to be taking the Morphe M224 brush. And now for the palette. It literally doesn't even fit in screen properly. Right, so I'm going to start with the colour Flying Saucer, and to apply that I have the Morphe E17 brush. Now continuing with the same brush, I'm going to lightly blend out the edges. Now I'm going to be taking the colour Ghost OG, and for this I'm taking the Morphe E18 brush. Now I'm going to be taking the colour Black Hole, and for this I have a Morphe small pointed brush. Now I'm going to be taking the colour Abduction, and for this I'm going to be taking the Morphe M330 brush. So now I'm going to be taking the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer, and this is in the colour CO5. Now I'm going to be taking the colour Probe, and for this I have the Royal Contour Eyeshadow Brush. I'm going to be placing that in the outer corner. Now I'm going to be taking the colour Alien, and I'm going to apply this with the Morphe flat brush on the middle of my lid. And finally I'm going to take the colour Interstellar, and to apply this I have a different Morphe flat brush. Right, I'm going to leave my eyes alone for a minute. They look extremely green, I love it. So I'm going to prime my face. I have two primers, but I'm going to start with the Nip and Fab Hydrate Dragon's Blood Fix Plumping Serum. For foundation I'm going to be taking the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Liquid Frost, and this is in the colour Frostbite. Now I'm going to take the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation, and this is in the colour Vanilla, and I'm going to apply it with a sponge. So now I'm going to conceal, not that I really need it, but again, Tarte Shape Tape, and blend out with the sponge. Now I'm going to set it using the Coty Loose Airspun Face Powder, and this is in the colour Translucent. Now I'm going to blush, and for the blush I'm going to be taking the Lacura, I think it is, blush, which I got in Aldi. It's meant to be a dupe of the NARS Orgasm blush. And to apply that I've got the Luxie Tapered Highlighter brush. And now I'm going to bronze, and for this I have the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil Light Medium Bronzer. And to apply this I'm going to be using the Real Techniques blush brush. I'm also going to use this to contour my nose, and for that I have the Real Techniques base shadow brush. And I'm just going to follow, I don't know if you can see, but there's a line of powder, so I'm going to try and stay inside the line of powder. Now to contour, I'm going to be taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills powder blush, and this is in the colour Rosewood. And to apply this, I have the Spectrum A05 brush. Now I'm going to wipe away the powder using the Real Techniques powder brush. So now I'm going to highlight, and for this I'm going to be taking the Huda Beauty Winter Highlight Palette in the colour Northern Lights. To apply this, I have my Morphe R36 brush. I'm also going to use the Spectrum B04 brush to highlight my eyes, my nose, small details like that. Now I'm going to top this highlighter with a different one. So I have here the Supreme Frost Pro palette, the Northern Lights palette by Jeffree Star, and I'm going to be using the colour Alaskan Ice. Now I'm going to line just under my eyes using the Black Heart eye pencil, and this is just a black one, I believe. I don't think it has a name. It's literally just black. So we're going to take this giant boy. Now I'm going to be taking Black Hole again from the Alien palette with the same brush I used on top, and just go slightly over that. I don't want to buff it out too much because I'm going to be putting other colours there. Now I'm going to be taking the colour Area 51, and for that I have this Morphe flat brush. I'm going to blend around with the same fluffy brush I used Abduction with, and I'm going to take Abduction around just so it blends nicely. Now I'm going to line my eyes, and for that I have two different eyeliners. So first I'm going to be taking the Tattoo Liner in Triple Black, and this is by Kat Von D. Now I'm going to go over that where there's any shimmery bits using the Ico Skinny Liquid Eyeliner in black. So now I'm going to curl my lashes. Before I apply mascara though, I'm going to use the Gimme Brow by Benefit, and this is in shade 5, just to keep my eyebrows in place. Now I did apply lashes on the night, don't know where the lashes went, so just gonna use mascara. So here I have the Douce Pink Volumizer mascara in black. Now I'm going to be taking the Jeffree Star Velour Lip Scrub, and this is in the flavour Pumpkin Pie. Love it! I do have pumpkin spice, but pumpkin pie is just a little bit better, I'm not gonna lie. Now for lips, I do have a mini. My Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the colour I'm Royalty. Well, I hope you did enjoy this video of my look, even though it has no lashes because don't know what I want. If you do want to see more makeup videos, obviously you're gonna like the video. You've got to comment down below what you want to see. You've got to subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and you've also got to turn on the bell notification if you actually want to see them, because YouTube's stupid, it doesn't know how to work. Anyway, I will hopefully see you next week with another video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.